Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in your English class. So, as you all know that we have started chapter number 13, What Lies Beyond. So, yesterday we did timeline for underwater. So, today we will do timeline for outer space. Okay, outer space means you know that all the heavenly bodies, celestial bodies, that all the things which are in the sky are heavenly bodies. Okay, they are in the space, but there is outer space also beyond the planets, and there are many things in the whole universe. Okay, so in this in this timeline we will just find out the different things that who went where and when they have, how they have discovered that there is a moon, and there are all the things, all that. Okay, so again you have to remember, actually these are the dates only, children. So 1957. So in 1957, you know that Laika, the dog goes to space on board Sputnik 2 as the first living being in orbit. Okay, first that living being who was in the space, who goes to the space, who went to the space was Laika, a dog, and in 1957. Okay, 1959. So now in 1959, first artificial satellite. You know what is a satellite? Means a thing which just revolves around the planets in the sky, that is called satellite. So first artificial satellite, there is only one natural satellite of Earth, that is moon. You know that because it revolves and rotates. Okay, it revolves around the Earth and rotates on its axis only. So 1959, first artificial satellite reaches near the moon. First photograph of Earth from orbit, and first photograph of Earth from orbit means first photograph of Earth was taken. Okay, and 1960 launch of first solar probe. Okay, means in 1960 launch of first solar probe. You know what is probe? Probe is also means that spacecraft, type of spacecraft only. So 1961 first chimpanzee goes to space, and 1961 in 1961. See, in 1957 a dog named Laika, it went to space. In 1961 there was the dog, okay, and there was a chimpanzee, and then after that in 1961 only first human Yuri Gagarin goes on a space flight. Okay, 1961 chimpanzee, after him first human being, and his name was Yuri Gagarin. Okay, he goes on a space flight, and then afterwards what happened in 1962, first orbital solar observatory. First orbital solar observatory, also first planetary flyby. You know that underline this planetary flyby, beta. What is this? It is an occasion. An occasion when a planetary flyby is an occasion when a spacecraft flies close to a planet. Close to a planet. An occasion when a spacecraft flies close to a planet in order to gather information about it. That is called planetary flyby. Okay, so what happened in 1962? First orbital solar observatory means also first planetary flyby mission path passed close to, means there was mission path means that there was spacecraft and that fly close to the Venus planet. And in 1963 Valentina Tereshkova becomes the first woman in space. 1963, you can underline in your book, children. Valentina Tereshkova becomes the first woman in space. 1965 launch of first Mars flyby. Okay, first Mars flyby. It was launched in 1965. In 1969, Neil Armstrong journeys to the moon on board Apollo 11. In Apollo 11, okay, Apollo 11 was used by Neil Armstrong, okay, becomes first human to walk on the moon. Who was the first human to walk on the moon? He was Neil Armstrong. And 1971, creation of the first space station, Salyut 1. In 1971, actually children, again I am saying you that you have to remember what is date only. In 1971, creation of the first space station. You know space station, what is this space station? This is a place, okay, this is a place and it is above the earth and is a base for people where people conduct that scientific test, they conduct their test, okay, in the space. That is called space station, okay. So in 1973 launch of first Jupiter, 1971 space station was built, okay, and after that what was the name of the space station? That also you have to remember, that is Salyut. Let me see this pattern once again. Salyut 1, okay. This was the, and after that 1973 launch of first Jupiter flyby, 1976 launch of closest flyby, and then different things are here. First spacecraft traveled beyond Neptune, 1986 first beyond Uranus. Means different things, these are the names of spacecrafts only. In 1990, first photograph of the entire solar system. Means when the first photograph of entire solar system was taken, it was in 1990, okay. First photograph of the entire solar system was taken, okay. Means first time entire solar system was taken. Okay, and after that 1998 first multinational space station was also the largest man-made object built in space, and 2001 first landing on asteroid EROS, that is, and 2012 first man-made probe in interstellar space. Means what is this man-made probe, children? This is robotic spacecraft, okay, that doesn't orbit around the earth actually, it just explores into the outer space about different things that there. And 2015 lectures first food grown in space. So which was the first food that was grown in space? That was lettuce, okay. So actually these are the different things that you have to remember, and it is very important also that you must know the different the dates also, and when the different things were launched related with the space. So that's all about this chapter. So tomorrow we will do the question answer. Just go through this chapter once again and try to remember the different dates also. Thank you children. Bye bye. Be safe. Be happy.